I am Jarvis, your assistant. How can I help you today?
My name is Moin.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How can I assist you today?
What is your name?
My name is Jarvis. I am your assistant.
Silent.
Volume set to 0%. Volume has been set to silent mode. Volume set to 0%. Volume has been set to silent mode.
Set volume 100.
Volume set to 100%.
Open Google.
Searching Google for Open Google.
Open YouTube.
Searching Google for Open YouTube.
YouTube Codewithspider.
Playing Codewithspider on YouTube.
Search YouTube Codewithspider web development course.
Playing Codewithspider web development course on YouTube.
Time.
The current time is 10:42 a.m.
Exit.
Goodbye. Have a great day.